A package from Post Falls, Idaho. We don't even have to guess what that is, huh? Buck Knives Pro Box. Paperwork. Packaging. Great box. IQ test. An 040 Buck Onset. First flipper I've ever had. The Buck 040 Onset. A little bit of tension on that flipper. Don't let it guillotine you on the way down after you release the liner lock. That's cool. My first flipper. Got it on a deal from Buck. $100 off from the Buck website. They're a little pricey. Has some substantial weight to it. I'll do some more review of this later. God bless all you knife nuts. Remember that Jesus loves you, and have a great day.